Hey, I'm Liv, and if you've watched any of my other videos, then you probably know that I'm an amputee. There are a lot of things that go with that, there are a lot of challenges, and I truly appreciate all the support that people have given me to face those challenges. But there are some amazing things about being an amputee, namely the costume options. Coming up is September 19th, which is my birthday, but more importantly, it is the International Pirate Day. Being that I'm an amputee and my birthday is on Talk Like a Pirate Day, I'm set. I'm a pirate. I have to be a pirate. I've dressed like a pirate for many years on my birthday, and this time is no different. Actually, be right back. Much better. So if you know me or have seen me recently, you probably might notice that my hair is blonder, my skin is a little more tanned, and yes, that is on purpose. Yes, I do go all out for Pirate Day. I do start fake tanning and get my hair a little more sun-kissed because it is just so much fun. Because this is one of the things that I have zeal about in life, is celebrating, dressing up, being enthusiastic about weird things sometimes. And the fact that being an amputee lets me have a peg leg is something I am absolutely gonna celebrate every year. So I'd like to invite you guys to hang out with me while I pegify my leg, while I piratify for my piratification. Join me while we stick stuff on my leg. What do you think? Party? Good?
Yeah.
Good? Yeah. Good?
Very good.
Yay. Okay, so that's it. The leg's done. I love it. I actually think that this was one of the original peg legs that I did. This kind of wood, it's a red oak, I think. And this is Match and Patch. It's like a furniture repair tape. It's really great. It stays really well. It's water resistant. This will look like this for a good couple weeks for me to enjoy the piratey-ness of it. I tend to like a darker toned wood myself, but when you're doing a peg leg, it seems to be the most fun and the most interesting contrast if you do a lighter wood like pine or an oak. And then I was thinking of doing my running leg, but upon looking at it, it's really got quite a big shoe on it, and I'm lazy, to be honest. So I think I'm gonna leave it as it is, which is Alvin. I actually got this December this year, so it was my sort of Christmas present. And I'm kind of partial to it, so I might keep it like this for a bit. It's fun jingling when I run, so. Anyways, thanks so much for hanging out with me and turning my leg into a peg leg. I'm glad I got to share it with you all. It's super fun and I love doing it every year. And no matter where you are, have a look out for Pirate Day events. In Denver, we're lucky enough that there is actually a pirate festival on Pirate Day weekend. So it's gonna be Friday the 20th of September in North Glen in Colorado. I hear that there are some amazing pirate festivals all around the country, and I would actually love to check them out. I hear there's some great ones in Florida and in California. So if you know of any piratey events or things like that, if you've ever done anything like that, I would love to hear it down below. I actually know someone who is like a skipper on a sort of a fantasy pirate ship, pirate crew. I'm probably butchering the description of it, but it sounded amazing. So yeah, share your experiences down below. I think that part of what made this sort of a widespread thing that I could do every year to this extent was when Krispy Kreme used to celebrate Pirate Day. And what would happen was if you went into a Krispy Kreme and spoke like a pirate, you got 1 free donut. If you were dressed like a pirate, you got a dozen free donuts. To be honest, donuts are not my particular vice. I love ice cream or chocolate, but I love to do this anyways. It was great fun, and Patrick and I would do that together. We would get dressed up and go get 2 dozen donuts. It all kind of culminated initially when we went to celebrate my 30th birthday in Vegas, and we were staying in Circus, and there was a Krispy Kreme in the lobby, and Patrick was actually there to do a 100-mile bike race. It actually ended up being like 110 miles in 90-degree heat, super hot, and he was there with his team and training team fundraising for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. So these people needed some donuts. They needed some carbs. This was a great opportunity for us to get 2 dozen donuts, and it was so much fun dressing up like pirates and then going down to the lobby of the hotel that we were in, and then we went and delivered the donuts down the road because they weren't staying in that hotel, and then we wandered around Vegas dressed like pirates, and of course everyone thought that we were in an act. So we had people just being jovial around us and asking us, when's the show? And we'd say, oh, it's in half an hour over there. No, not really, but yeah. So it was super fun, and that's part of the amazing thing is getting to dress up, getting to be a character, getting to be something different. Like you can walk down the Vegas Strip, fun, cool. You can walk down the Vegas Strip dressed like a pirate, extra fun, isn't it? You can go grocery shopping, dressed like a pirate, extra fun. This is something I really love and I really enjoy, and I hope you've enjoyed at least me sharing it with you. Thanks so much for hanging out. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and stick around and subscribe. Right down there. Down there. Alright. We've got to try this. I have to get into my accent. If I try to do this, then my eyes start watering, and I think I need a sentence to get into my pirate accent. What could my sentence be? Like you need something to start talking. Start talking the right way. See, my eyes watering. All right. Oh hi laddie. I don't know why, but that's it. That might be it. Yeah. Hello, my name's Liv, and I like pirates. Oh, hello. Look, I'm so sorry if this is your accent, like for real. I can't do this accent, and if I try to do a pirate, there I get Scottish, I think. I don't know. Are you Scottish? Do you talk like this? No. Do you talk like this? Can you talk like this? Do you talk like a pirate? How do you talk like a pirate? I think crown pirate. I'm gonna have to Google that. Get back to you.